If you're looking to elevate your mechanical keyboard setup from great to exceptional, the DAVIPGFSU coiled cable might just be the final, crucial piece. This isn't just any wire. It's a purpose-built accessory designed to marry premium aesthetics with practical functionality for the modern desktop. At its core, this is a high-quality, double-sleeved cable. The tight, spring-like coil isn't just for show. It manages slack beautifully, keeping your desk clutter-free while offering just enough length to route the cable cleanly. The standout features are in the robust connectors, a gold-plated USB Type-C end that plugs securely into your keyboard, and a standard USB-A for your computer. They're joined by a classic, screw-together aviator connector in the middle. This isn't merely a visual accent. It allows for easy swapping of keyboard ends if you have multiple boards, and it adds a satisfying, tactile element to your setup. In real-world use, this cable delivers. The sleeving is smooth and resists tangling, while the coil has a satisfying heft that keeps it in place. It immediately declutters your space and gives your entire workstation a cohesive, custom-built look. The connectors feel solid, with no wiggle or concern about a loose connection. For the pros, you get excellent build quality, a clean and professional aesthetic, and that practical cable management. The potential cons are minor but worth noting. The coil does add some stiffness, and if your PC is very far away, you might need an extension, as the effective reach is somewhat limited by the design. Compared to the standard, straight cable that came with your keyboard, this is a night and day difference in both form and function. It's a clear upgrade for anyone invested in their typing experience. A quick practical tip: when you first unbox it, the coil might be set in a specific shape. Gently flex and rotate it to relax it into your preferred arc. In closing, the DAVIPGFSU coiled cable is a fantastic, affordable way to inject serious style and improved functionality into your mechanical keyboard setup. It feels premium, looks the part, and solves a real desk management problem. If you value a clean aesthetic, this cable is highly recommended. Thanks for watching. Let me know your favorite keyboard accessories in the comments below.